Hey, you are ready to listen to a new story?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in this story, I will need your help. We'll have to do thinking. Come on, put on your thinking caps. We all have to wear our thinking caps and we have to think. Once there was a boy. His name was Arjun. Arjun was going to school. He goes to school by bus. So he was going to school with his elder sister, Didi. Arjun and Didi were walking towards the bus stop. And you know what happened? Arjun's shoes got spoiled. His shoes broke. And then he became very upset. Like, Didi, my shoes got spoiled. How will I go to school now? Now, what will Arjun do? Come on, let's think. What will Arjun do? What did the Didi think? Come on, they were thinking. Let's think. Didi saw on the roadside there was somebody sitting who was mending the shoes. Who is that person who mends shoes? Do you all know? It's called a cobbler. This person, cobbler. He's called a cobbler. Cobbler is a person who mends shoes. Who shoes को ठीक कर देता है. So Didi said, Arjun, there's a cobbler there. Let's go to him and he will mend your shoes. Then Arjun and Didi went to the cobbler. They went to the cobbler and they said, Cobbler uncle, please mend my shoes. Then cobbler uncle mend the shoes and Arjun became happy. And then they again said bye to the cobbler uncle. Then they again went to the bus depot and the school bus came. They climbed up and they sat. But then when the bus was going, they saw there was so much traffic. All the cars are going here and there. Arjun said, and there was one uncle on the road wearing a uniform and a hat and had a whistle. And he was telling the cars to stop. He was telling some cars to go. Arjun asked his Didi, Didi, who is this uncle? Why is he standing on the road and telling the cars to stop and go? And why does he have a whistle? Who is that person who stands on the road with a whistle and a cap? Who is he? Let's think. Who can tell me? Traffic police. Very good. So this is a traffic police. He wears a cap and he has a whistle. And when there is lot of traffic on the road, this uncle comes and he maintains the traffic so that we don't get late for school. So Arjun said, okay, he's our friend, he's a smart uncle. Didi said, yes. Give a thumbs up to the traffic police. Thumbs up, he helps us. Okay, now the bus traffic got clear because of the traffic police. Say thank you. He helped us to reach school. Then the traffic got clear and Arjun and Didi went to school. In school, Arjun, who was there in school? Who teaches us in school? Who teaches? Teacher. Yes, this is Arjun's teacher. Arjun's teacher was teaching him. And she helps Arjun to solve all his problems. Arjun has so many questions. And then he had whatever questions he had, he went to ma'am. And he said, ma'am, which color is this? And then ma'am said, this is green color. Then Arjun had one more question. Ma'am, what is that? Up there. Ma'am said, that's a light. So the ma'am helped Arjun. Who is this? Teacher. The teacher helps us to learn. Okay. Then Arjun's school got over and Arjun and Didi were again going back home in the bus. And what did they see? There was a building where there was fire. Lot of fire. All the people were running away. And one strong uncle with the pipe was putting water. Arjun said, Didi, this is such a strong uncle. He is standing and putting off the fire. Who is this uncle? Didi said that he is a fireman. Whenever there is fire, we can call this uncle. He has a red color truck. He will come in his truck. He will remove his pipe. He will climb on the ladder and he will put off the fire. So he is called a fireman. Who is he called?
Fireman.
He helps us. So after the fire, then the bus went from that place and Arjun and Didi reached home. When Arjun and Didi reached home, Mama was reading a letter. Arjun said, Mama, Mama, what are you doing? Mama said, I am reading a letter. Arjun said, who gave you this letter? Mama said, one uncle came. Then Arjun said, which uncle? What is he called? You know which uncle gives us a letter? Who delivers letter? Which uncle comes and delivers letter? Postman. Yes. So Mama said, a postman. His job, he helps us by delivering letters to us. He takes the letter from the letter box, then he sees, and when it's your letter, he will come to your house and he will give you a letter. He helps us. Who is he? A postman. Who is he? Postman uncle. He helps us. Say thank you, postman uncle. Thank you. Then Arjun said, Mama, I'm very hungry. I want to eat. What is there for lunch? Mama said, there is your favorite fish. Arjun said, thank you, Mama. But who brings fish for us? Who brings fish for us? Arjun said, Mama, do you go in the sea and bring? Does Mama go in the sea and get fish? Yes or no? Then who gets? Arjun was asking, Mama, did you go in the sea? Mama said, no, you silly boy. Why will I go in the sea? Arjun said, then who goes in the sea to get fish for us? You all know, think.
No.
Fisherman. Mama said, this is a fisherman. He has a big net. He goes in the sea. He sits on his boat. He goes in the sea. He puts his net and he catches all the fish and he gets it to the market. I will go to the fisherman uncle in the market and I will buy fish. Arjun said, oh, so fisherman uncle also helps us. Mama said, yes. So then Didi was listening to everything. Mama and the Arjun's conversation. Then Didi said, Arjun, do you remember since morning first the cobbler uncle helped us? Then the traffic police helped us. Then the teacher helped you. Then when you came home, the postman uncle helped us. Oh, we forgot the fireman uncle. Even he was helping. Then the fisherman uncle. So Didi was telling Arjun, all these people are community helpers. Who are they? Community helpers. Which all community helpers did we meet today?
Policeman,
Cobbler, fireman, postman uncle and teacher, fisherman. All these people are community helpers. They help us. Whenever we have a problem, we can go to them and they will solve it. Arjun said, okay, Didi. And then Arjun ate his food and he went off to sleep.
Very nice.